Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Godlike Reviews. In this video I'll take you to Scriptdio review. My name is Kenneth Easy. In this video I'll take you to not just Scriptdio review but also its pros and cons. I'll take you basically through a walkthrough on how Scriptdio functions. So as you can see, it's a cloud-based software built to help people create their own sales scripts to generate more sales, to help generate more sales for online businesses. So let's refresh. So this is my inside Scriptdio. Now this is how it looks. So from here you go to add new, and choose a title. This title, I don't know, say maybe sales scripts 1, sales scripts. Let's have sales scripts in a folder. I choose a folder. I'm going to make Scriptdio review. Framework. So a list of frameworks here, of which you can choose. You can choose anyone in this. In each framework here, each selected framework here, there are list of steps. I'll show you through that. I'll be showing you right now. There are list of steps that will help you, to generate your own sales script. So 12 steps. Yeah, I think I'll go for this one. I don't know what it goes there. Okay. So these are the steps. So it's 12 step VSL. So if you count these steps, they're up to 12. I'm going to just click it. So this is tree, and that set of trees, and that set of trees, and that set of trees. So altogether it's 12. So that's a 12 step VSL framework. Excuse me. So we begin with a question. So it just takes you through the steps to follow to generate that professional sales script. So from there it gives you examples on which one you want. So you can choose 1, you can choose 2, you can choose anyone. So if you want to be choosing 2, I think you follow 2 all through. You follow 1 all through. So let's see how it goes anyways. Let's preview how this one goes. Say, are you tired of launching new products that never seem to produce the volume of sales you're looking for? Every product I've launched in that, so I think this is good. So we use this. So we go to the next one. To agitate the problem. Choose preview this. So the reason why I'm previewing this is we want to know if there's something we can edit, because these scripts are actually you can actually edit them. So there's nothing here to edit. By editing, I mean different. You can highlight all this, make them bold. You can change. You can make them italics. Excuse me. You can change the color to whatever color you want. You can see. So it's editable, not just that. So that's one thing I like about the software. It's actually flexible. You can actually play around the software. If you don't like a particular word, you can change it. If you don't like the way the word is written, you can change it to suit what you want. You can also undo what you've done. So just follow that. So thirdly, show why existing don't work. This is an example. So just recently you were struggling to launch you preview it to know what's your so there's nothing yet to edit. There's anything to edit there, so we use it as it is. So say next one. So you do this for all the steps. I'm just going to rush this so I don't waste much time. So that's how easy it is, honestly speaking. Preview. So you can see here it says, however, there's a solution to the problem. I'd like to introduce the latest solution to initial conversion, so sorry, that will have your online sales skyrocketing overnight. It's called this. So you can see we have to change that. If you have a product that's it's not conversion body, you have to change that to suit your own product. So this will put in, let's say, Scriptdio software in capital. Scriptdio software. It's called Scriptdio software. Let's do that. Scriptdio. You can make it bold to be eye catchy. I even change the color if you want. I think I'll leave it like this. Just look out for things you need to edit anyways. That's just the idea of this. So go to the next one, introduction and product presentation. And let's just use and breathe over here. You see here, my name is John. My name is not John, my name is Kenneth. So that's what I'm talking about. You edit that. My name is Kenneth, and last year I made over $3 million. $3 million. I made maybe a lot less than $3 million. So you can always edit that, but I think I'll leave that, it's not necessary. So that's just it. Anyways, you just look up what scenes you want to edit. So go to the next one. What makes your product better? Okay, we've not actually chosen an example, have we? So let's use this. You just be looking through what you need to edit. Okay, there's nothing here to edit. So we go up, go to the next set of steps. Describe what makes your product unique. Okay, so let's use this. So I think here you need to edit. I can see step by step, so I think we need to edit something there. So let's see. Let me show you how easy it is to work with product title with Scriptdio. So you put Scriptdio here. Scriptdio. I make it bold. And step by step demo. So here you put your step by step, demo on how Scriptdio works. It's how it was, maybe the 3 steps. So just to sell your sales scripts better. You can always change that. So the idea is just you'd want selling a particular product, so you already know the kind of the benefits of the software, how it's used and stuff like that. So yeah, that's where it goes in. So I'll just delete that. And let me show you how easy it is to work with Scriptdio. Step 1, let's write something. This step 1. This one, choose the template. Step 2. Choose step 2 is customize. Let's see, customize templates. Step 3. Save template, generate script. And voila, generate scripts, and voila. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's good. And last element I made about this by selling products online. So you need to be looking out for things you can edit. So I think I don't waste much time, so I'll just run through the software. Say snap codes. Let's use this. Trade bullet points, customer testimonial. You want to put customer testimonial, you can always sorry about that. Yes, you can always skip something if you want. So let's just use all of them and generate our script and see how it goes. So it says use. So here you use where you put your testimonials, the product title against Scriptdio, the benefits, 5 key fundamentals you need in order to finally benefit. So that benefit is not that you leave it there, you have to change the benefit. You have to change the what Scriptdio benefits you with, So 5 steps in order to change your, let's say, to finally 5 key fundamentals you need in order to finally increase, let's put increase sales. Increase sales would be a good increase sales. Customers all over the world are reading about Scriptdio. You put Scriptdio there. You have some of their comments, testimonial on. So you have reviews on what customers are saying about that. You put it there. So it says here, why many target market? Why many target market? Let's say digital marketers or online marketers. Online marketers would be a good online marketers. Okay, I always remove the brackets. Line bracket, let's fill up and never dash, and so all these things in brackets you have to edit them, honestly speaking, so I don't want to waste much time about doing that. So you just keep on going screenshot. So I think I've done justice to this so far. So see more editings to do. Use snapshots, use this snapshots, use this. So when you're done, you proofread your script to see how good it is. When you're done, you save it. It's successfully saved. So when you're done saving, you come back to projects. You go to Scriptdio review. This is the folder in which you saved it. You click that, and this is the title of our script, sales script. You can export it to whatever format you want, TXT, export to doc, export to PDF. You export to PDF, just click that to export to PDF. See, yeah, I've done that before anyway, so yeah, so just to save time. So this is what we actually did. Yeah, so this is your sales script. So if you want to get the software, is in the description below. The link is in the description below, where you have access to the software alongside my other bonuses. Alright, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification. What that does is anytime I upload good reviews like this, you'll be the first to know. You guys to get noticed. YouTube will notify you of my videos, and the like is because it helps the YouTube algorithm to promote my channel. So please support me. Thank you very much. Until next time, I see you again.